Hello guys, welcome back. In the last lecture we have discussed all about the file manager. In this video we're going to talk about the FTP accounts. But as you can see, there are many other links or features available on there, like directory privacy, disk usage, web disk. You can check the disk usage and web disk on the right side, as you can see. But you can also check out the disk usage of particular directory or databases. You can check that on there. It's for checking, right? You can't change anything else inside there. I go back. This is a disk usage and this is a web disk usage. So this is not important, so mostly users do not using that. So the important thing is two on there, directory privacy and FTP accounts. We will discuss on that later, but we need to know the directory privacy. If you want to first I'm going to click on that and I'm going to show you if you protect any directory inside the file manager, you can use that to protect the directory. But mostly users do not using that because the hosting also protect your complete site directory and many other things. But you can use that to protect your directory. As you can see, set to password to protect certain directories of your account. When you enable this feature, a user that tries to open a protected folder will be prompted to enter a username and password before they can access your content. So you can click on any directory and then you need to enter the directory name, username, password, confirm password. Then the protection will be applied on your particular directory. That's it, right? So I go back and we're gonna talk about the FTP. FTP is very important to assign any directory with any user. So just a minute, I'm gonna check that. Yes. So let's talk about how you can create a FTP accounts and how you can use that. So first of all, I'm going to click on FTP accounts link. Inside there we need to create a FTP account and we need to also assign the directory or domain, which domain or which directory user will use with the help of FTP account. So let's try it. I'm going to use the login name like remote, and then you need to select the particular directory or domain which will use to manage the website with the help of FTP account. So I'm gonna use the domain like babysomeone.com. so you need to enter the login name. You can write any name as you want. In my case I use remote and select the particular domain. You can also select the subdomain as you want, but you need to also add the password, and then final step, you need to assign the directory. How you can assign the directory? This is I'm going to show you. I go to file manager. As you can see, inside the left side have a link, file manager. I'm going to open that and I'm going to show you how you can assign the particular directory with particular FTP account. So I'm going to double click on the public_HTML and I'm going to select the baby someone. So this is my path. I want to assign the path on the user which will help us or help me to manage this one site with the help of FTP account. So I'm going to copy that and go back on my directory and paste on there, right? And then remote user or this FTP account will help us to manage this one directory or use this one directory with the help of FTP account. I will teach you how you can use that to upload the website or manage the website with the help of FileZilla software. So once you do that, then you need to click create a FTP account. Once you create the FTP account, then you will able to see remote@babysomeone.com. This is your login name, and you will check all the details by clicking configure FTP client. Inside there have a manual setting. You can use them to connect the FTP account with your baby someone directly, like this one. User will use this one information to connect the FTP account, then user will able to see those files, right? I'm gonna show you how it's work. So first of all, I already have a, I'm gonna show you. You need to download the FileZilla. FileZilla is a software which used to connect the FTP, or used to create and manage your FTP account, right? You can use that to manage your FTP account files and folders with the help of FileZilla. So I'm gonna click to download FileZilla client and download that and download that. Once you download that, then you need to install that. It's very simple installation process, is just click next, next, next. So I'm gonna close that. After downloading and installing the FileZilla, then you will able to use that. So let's see, I already installed on my PC this one software, right? So this is a FileZilla interface. So inside there you need to connect that. This is a host, this is a username, this is a password, this is a port. So you need to enter all the information to connect the FTP account, right? So let's see how we can do that. I go to FTP accounts, and inside they have a username. You need to copy that and paste on this one section, or this one input text field. Then you need to enter the password that you have made to creating a FTP account. Once you add that, then you need to use default port as a 21. You don't need to use any port on there. But another thing is, you need to enter the host name. How you can find that? You need to go on advanced, and you will get your server IP address or host name. This one, shared IP address. Once you copy that and paste on there, then you will able to connect the FileZilla with your baby someone directory on there. Let's see. I open FileZilla. In the right side, as you can see, not connected to any server. Those are my local data. But after connecting the server, then you will able to see files and folder will be appear on there. Let's see. I click to quick connect and click to OK, and then you need to wait. As you can see, all the files and folders appeared on my server side. I am able to access all the files. Those are only on babysomeone.com files and folder, because I have made the FTP account. I'm going to show you. I have made the FTP account with usage of the babysomeone.com, right? So you can use that to perform the different tasks. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how you can use FileZilla to upload the website. So thank you very much for watching. See you in the next lecture.